All right. Instead of looking at Ethan and I today, we are going to take a look out there at the Indianapolis Zoo. Yes. It's not too often that we see the elephants. I was told by our producer that they were drinking not too long ago, enjoying a drink.
Yeah.
But we might be getting a little bit more rain, some downpours here coming up this week, Ethan, right?
Yeah, exactly right. Toward the middle of the week is when we'll see those changes. And normally I'm not a big proponent for rain unless we desperately need it. But we really do, especially for this month. As the last week of September is upon us, we're going to add those rain chances. I have about 2 or 3 in the forecast, one of which looks to be hopefully bringing beneficial rain. But today, not feeling like fall in the slightest, still feeling more like late August out there with a high temperature of 82 today. 83 Muncie, 79 in Richmond, all around temperatures in pretty similar territory. Even at this hour, a little bit after 6 o'clock, we're still at 80. Overnight lows tonight will be in the upper 50s to near 60, so definitely not bad. In fact, I have a couple more days of 80s for tomorrow and Tuesday. Pretty copy and paste days. Forecast high of 82 tomorrow, 81 on Tuesday, both of which are 6 degrees above normal. Then after a cold front, we'll drop back into the 70s, 74 and 76. That's closer to normal for this time of the year. However, I think that's going to be short-lived here when it comes to our pattern. We'll get that dip in the jet stream after we get through tomorrow and Tuesday. You'll notice there'll be a little trough that'll allow that cooler air in here after a cold front. Not thinking it's going to last, though, because look at by Thursday. See this forming? That is another upper-level ridge that's going to allow warmer temperatures back into the region, and a big-time ridge coming by next weekend. And I think, folks, once again, we're going to be talking about temperatures getting right around that 80-degree mark after we get through the middle of the week. Temperatures above average, they just get a little higher and higher, and already by next Saturday, where the average high is 74 degrees, I think most of the upper Midwest and even getting into the Ohio Valley, we're still going to have that overall delayed start to our very much fall-like temperatures. So keep the shorts handy. You'll need them plus or minus a couple days toward the middle of the week. Guardian radar is quiet, high pressure overhead. We've been that way over the last 2 days because we have been stuck in the middle between an area of low pressure that's spinning off in Minnesota right now and then the remnants of Ophelia out in New England with another. That's the area of low pressure that was Ophelia. What's going to happen is that moisture is going to slide westward, and then combined with this cold front and the moisture from that low, it's going to hopefully give us around here some very needed rain chances. No rain tomorrow. Going to be a great day. We'll be increasing our clouds late, but then by the time Tuesday afternoon and evening comes around, our in-house model showing we'll have some thunderstorms in there as well. Take that into Wednesday morning too, and I think late Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be the days where we'll have the most beneficial rain. This doesn't look like much. One of our models forecasting around an inch. The other one just around ½ an inch of rain. It'll all just depend on how much moisture we will be able to work with here, because as it stands right now, we've only had 0.17 inches of rain all month long. If September were to end today, it would be the second driest on record. So hopefully we are going to be adding to that rain, not to mention that drought did get a little worse over the week as the moderate drought has expanded into central Indiana. 82 for that high tomorrow. Looking great. 81 on Tuesday. And then there are those 70s Wednesday and Thursday. Shower chance early Thursday, and then already getting back into the 80s by next weekend.